Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new listing, 4-bedroom RV garage pool home. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2481 Inverness Drive. This was just listed for $934,900. It is a 4-bedroom pool home with a 73-foot RV garage. No junk around, little tiny house across the street. You have a little steel gate access on the side. Maybe wide enough, maybe probably about 9 feet, 10 feet wide. Let's go on in and check it out. So you have a nice big front courtyard. This does have security cameras everywhere. Might be using it as an Airbnb. All right guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2009, 2,306 square feet. 10,585 square foot lot. Does back to a wash, so there is some separation between you and your back neighbor. Looks like a wood burning fireplace with stacked stone all the way to the ceiling. So it's a nice open floor plan. Split bedroom layout. Does have the plank tile floors. Nice granite kitchen counters with a eat-at bar. You have a little pantry, black stainless appliances. Nice pool view from the sink. Does have a solar tube skylight in the kitchen as well. So you have the master laundry and garage access on one side of the house off the kitchen. This is the master. Slider out to the backyard pool area, vaulted ceilings. They also have integrated sound throughout the house, and there also looks like there's fire sprinklers throughout the house. So you have the master bath. There are dual vanities separated. It's got another solar tube in here as well. Big tall ceilings, jetted tub. So you have your toilet with its own door and walk-in shower. So you have your second vanity. Both have granite tops. You have a little linen closet and a walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your other 3 bedrooms and your bathroom over here for guests. So this does have dual sinks, granite tops. It's pretty good size. Tile shower. So you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house, at the end of the hall. So you have a triple slider closet doors. So you have bedroom number 3 in the middle of the hallway. You have the same triple door slider closet. So you have your 4th bedroom, which is like a junior master suite at the end of the hall at the back of the house. So here's your little junior suite master. does have access out to the backyard pool area. Dual sinks with granite counters. Another tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the garages and the pool. You have your indoor laundry and access to the garage off of the kitchen master area. So you have all your water heater, water softener, RO. You have a 2-car garage side that's 22 feet deep with an 8-foot door. You also have a huge 73-foot RV garage with a 13-foot door, about 16 feet wide at the door opening from the outside. Looks like it does have swamp coolers, and there is a drive-through bay in the rear. So you have clean outs and a 50 amp. So you have a real nice extra wide and long covered patio. Has ceiling fans, speakers out here as well. That door goes to the RV garage. Have a cool pool setup with a little bar table, seating area. Big raised hot tub. It's got like stamped concrete decking. So they built this cool wall right here to hide the pool equipment and protect it from the sun. This also has a killer lake view and backs to the wash, so it gives you some separation from your neighbors. Looks like this is on propane. Nice little fireplace. You have a nice lake shot off the backyard and down the wash. All concrete step stones down the side, and then there's a pretty nice barbecue island bar setup. Looks like it's ready for a sink. They didn't finish it. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Inverness. Again, this one was just listed for $934.9. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can see all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all of my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.